All right, in this video, we're going to talk about 11.1, Objective 3, where we perform liquid conversions. Start off with, and I'll use ratio proportion on as many problems as I can. So we have 9 fluid ounces. And we want to go to teaspoons. So 1 fluid ounce is 6 teaspoons. Fluid ounces will cancel. 9 times 6 is 54. Next problem is 8 tablespoons. And we want to go from tablespoons to milliliters. So let's go from tablespoons to teaspoons. First, we have 24 teaspoons, and then 24 teaspoons. One teaspoon is 5 milliliters. And this is 120 milliliters. All right. Now we have 60 teaspoons. And we want to go to fluid ounces. So 6 teaspoons is 1 fluid ounce. Teaspoons cancel, and this is 60 over 6 times a fluid ounce. So 6 goes into 60 10 times. This is fluid ounces 10. Uh, 50 milliliters to milliliters to fluid ounces. So 1 fluid ounce is 30 milliliters. So 50 over 30 times a fluid ounce. 5/3, that's 1 2/3. Right. 100 milliliters. And we want to go to teaspoons. 5 milliliters in 1 teaspoon. This is 100 over 5 teaspoons is 20 teaspoons. All right. We have 4 1/4 quarts. I want to change that to an improper fraction as 17/4 quarts. And 17/4 of a quart is, let's see, a quart is 32 fluid ounces. Quarts cancel. 17 force times fluid ounces. 32. 4 goes into 32 8 times. 17 times 8. That's 56. 136. Okay, but we were asked to answer in milliliters. So X is 136 fluid ounces. We want to go from fluid ounces to milliliters. Fluid ounces cancel. 136 times 30. 18, 10. X is 4,080 milliliters. Right. Let's look at number 7. We have 12 teaspoons, and we want to go to milliliters. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. Teaspoons cancel. 5 times 12 is 60. Um, 11 liters. We want to go to fluid ounces. So this is, let's change this to milliliters first. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So this is 11,000 milliliters, and there's 30 milliliters in every fluid ounce. Milliliters cancel. 11,000 divided by 30 is X. Want this as a mixed number. 3,926. 216 and 2/3. So 8, 52, 11 liters. $7,000 milliliters. All right. We'll come back to this one because it gave a slightly different answer. I think it may have changed it to quarts first and then gone through fluid ounces to get to milliliters. So because it gives an answer of 352. So let's try it that way. As long as you show your work with the correct conversion factors, you should have the right answer. And that's why you want to use the most precise conversion factors that you can. So 11 liters. Let's try going from liters to quarts, which is the other approximate conversion factor that we have here. I don't have anything else to get out of liters here, so this is my only other option. That gives me 11 quarts for X. If X is 11 quarts, and I want to get from quarts to fluid ounces, 1 quart is 32 fluid ounces. 32 times 11 is 32, 32, 3. That's where they're getting 352 from. So, all right, let's move on. 11 teaspoons to milliliters. So 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. Teaspoons cancel. I have 55 milliliters. And for our last question, we have 300 milliliters. And we want to go to tablespoons. So let's go to teaspoons first. 300 divided by 5 teaspoons is X, so that's 60 teaspoons. X is 60 teaspoons, and there's 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon, and 60 over 3 tablespoons is X, and that's 20 tablespoons. All right, that's it for this video, and we'll come back next time and we will talk about 12.1 Objective 4, where we convert among apothecary household and metric measurement systems. See you for the next video.